Hi, I'm Lorraine from App and Speech Therapy,
Hi, I'm Aisha. I'm a speech and language therapist.
and together we are going to show you how to mirror an iPad app using Zoom.
First of all, you need to have a computer or a laptop and an iPad at hand.
And then what you need to do is go to Share Screen on your desktop, press that, and you'll then see this menu. So you'll see the option to share your desktop, your whiteboard, or your iPad or iPhone. So I'm going to press on iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. And then on my actual iPad, I need to swipe down from the top right hand corner and then press screen mirroring. I then need to press on where it says Zoom, and it also says Lorraine's MacBook Air, so it's got the name of my laptop. And now Aisha can see my screen, and so can you. So I just need to press outside of that box on my iPad screen, and there we go. Okay, Aisha, can you see my iPad?
I sure can, Lorraine. It looks great.
So I should explain to everybody that what you're seeing now and what Aisha's seeing is a mirror image of my iPad. So Aisha can't actually use any of the apps on my iPad or touch any of the buttons, but what she can do is see whatever I go into on my iPad on this shared screen. So let's go into one of the apps. I'm going to go into keyword understanding, and I'll go back to the home page. So I'm going to show you how to annotate or mark the shared screen. So each time I'm actually using the iPad, so I'm not pressing anything on the shared screen.
Touch the small red gloves.
And now on the shared screen, I'm going to go up to the toolbar at the top, and then if I press annotate, it'll give me a couple of options. So I'm going to draw, and I'll draw a circle, and I'm going to circle the small red gloves. There we go. So if you're using a comprehension app like keyword understanding, you can ask your client to mark the shared screen, and then you know what answer they want to give. And the reason you do that is because they can't actually touch your iPad physically, so you have to have a different way of communicating that response. So Aisha, do you want to give this a little go?
Yes.
So I'm going to press clear because each time you need to clear any markings or annotations that you have on the shared screen. And then on my iPad, I'm going to move on to the next one.
Touch the big yellow box.
Okay, so I'm going to close my toolbar, and Aisha is going to now annotate and show me which answer she wants to go for. Okay, so I just pressed that on my iPad.
Touch the big red flag.
So on my side, I just go up to the view options, and when you click to view options, it opens up a drop-down menu, and that's where I can access annotate. So that opens up the toolbar for me. I can use different ways of annotating, so I can use a star as well, so like this, by clicking on stamp.
I see your star, Aisha.
Great.
Okay, so I'm going to mark that answer on my iPad.
Touch the small green bike.
I can use a tick.
Here we go. Okay.
Touch the big yellow sofa.
And then I can circle as well.
Perfect.
Touch the big red vase.
So I'm trying to press my
Touch
iPad
the
whenever
big green
you
balloon.
press your answer on the shared screen.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, you got it right, Aisha. Well done.
Touch the big red chair.
So you can see how that works really well. So even though Aisha can't actually physically touch my iPad screen, she can indicate her response on our shared screen, and then I can mark her answer on my actual iPad screen. And that's how it works for a comprehension app. But if you were just using a naming app or an app for picture descriptions, then Aisha wouldn't really need to mark the screen at all. So in many ways, teletherapy isn't that different to face-to-face therapy.
Okay, great. So that's been really good, Lorraine. Until next time.
Until next time, thanks for watching.